everyone, today we're gonna make slime. Here we're gonna use glue, food coloring, shaving cream, and some baking soda with a little bit of water, and in the end I'm gonna put glitter. I'm gonna dump out all the glue. Now we're gonna put in the food coloring. We're gonna mix it really good. Now we're gonna put in the shaving cream that I shake before putting it in. Okay, if you don't have blend solution, you could always use eye drop. Now we're gonna put 1 spoon of baking soda into a little bit of water. Now we're gonna dump it in here. When it's like this, that means you need to stir it a little bit more until it turns like slime. Now it's ready, so the final last part is to put some glitter or whatever you want in it. Don't forget to share this video and give this video a like.